New Ty Dolla album just dropped. It's called Featuring Ty Dolla. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Spicy. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for a lesson from this artist. Enjoy. So this entire song is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is an A minor chord. So for this, you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the B string, and you're going to pick the A string, D string, B string, then G string. Next, we're going to go to a B major chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 2nd fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 4th fret. And you're going to do the same picking pattern that we did on the A minor chord. Next is a C major chord. So we're just going to take the B major chord and move it up 1 fret. And we're going to do the same picking pattern that we did on the B major chord. Then we're going to go back to the B major chord, and we're going to pick the A string, D string, B string, and it repeats, and all put together it sounds like this. Now the background lead. So this starts on the 3rd fret of the high E string, then 2nd fret high E string, then open high E string, then 4th fret B string, then 3rd fret high E string again, 2nd fret high E string, open high E string. And it repeats, and all put together it sounds like this. And that's it for Spicy. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.